In this video, let's take a look at the adverb 在 and in particular conditional sentences with the adverb 在, like the sentence, if you keep delaying, then you're going to miss the train, right? On the right, I have a picture of a train station in Vienna this photo I've taken in Vienna on my last trip. It's basically saying, hey, after 7 minutes, this train is going to leave. If you do not board, then the train is going to take off without you. So let's take a look at sentences that can express this idea. If you don't take a certain action, or if you keep delaying, then something is going to happen with the adverb 在. So far in our HSK courses, we have covered various grammatical constructs with 在, and you can review all of them with our HSK courses, and an index is also available at this website, www.zerotohero.ca/en/zh/grammar. Let's just quickly review what different meanings of 在 there are. So for example, this particular video clip, this particular grammatical construct is available in the HSK 3 course under Grammar 3.8.1. All right, so let's take a look at the clip and then we'll analyze the sentence.
我相信我们很快会再见。
我相信我们很快会再见的. So here, 见, right? 见 means to meet. 再见 means to meet again, right? So in this case, 在 is expressing again in the future. Right, another clip.
稻米饭。再加点盐。
稻米饭，再加点盐. Here, 加 means to add, right? 稻米饭 means to pour in the rice. 再加点盐 means, and on top of that, add some salt. 稻米饭再加点盐, pour in the rice, and then add some salt. So in this case, 再 means and then, and further.
不好意思啊，你再坐会儿。
你再坐会儿. Here, 坐 means to sit, and 再坐会儿 means to keep sitting for a while longer. Right? 再 here means to maintain this action of 坐, maintain this action of sitting. 你再坐会儿, keep sitting a little bit longer. 你再坐会儿.
再等等吧。
再等等吧. 等 means to wait, right? 等等 is wait a little bit. 再等等吧 means to keep waiting for a little bit. So we have 再见, see you again. 再等等吧, let's keep waiting for a bit. 再加点盐, add more salt on top. 再坐会儿, keep sitting for a while. So we can see that 在 here is expressing either the current action is repeated or maintained. For example, 再见 is a repetition, right? We see each other again, that's repetition. 再等等吧, 再加点盐, 再坐会儿, that means you're maintaining the current action, right? Let's keep waiting for a while. Please keep sitting here for a while. 再等等吧, 再坐会儿, you're maintaining the current action. So the character 在 here is an adverb that expresses the sense of repetition or maintenance. All right, so here's an example. Let's say that you're at the high-speed rail station and you're heading to Guangzhou, you're taking the G85, and there's an announcement saying, hey, if you don't go, if you keep waiting, then this train is going to leave and you won't have enough time, and you'll be left behind. We can say 如果再不走, if you keep not going, if you keep delaying, right? 不走 means to not go, and 再不走 means keep not going, keep delaying. 如果再不走, if you keep lingering around, 就来不及了, then you won't have time. 如果再不走, 就来不及了, right? So here, 在 is expressing the idea of maintaining your current state or continuing a current action. In this case, the current action is 不走, right? Not going is your current action. 再不走 means continuing that current action or current state. 如果再不走，就来不及了. Or we can get rid of the 如果, right? We can get rid of the if, and it becomes 再不走就来不及了。再不走就来不及了 right? 再不走就来不及了。The adverb 就 in the middle, 就 it itself is expressing the condition. So really the 如果 in front is not really necessary. 如果再不走就来不及了 is the same as 再不走就来不及了 right? So 如果 is optional. Again, here are some examples.
快走！哎呀，快走！再不走就来不及了。
再不走就来不及了。再不走就来不及了。
不许动！再动我就开枪了！
再动我就开枪了。再动我就开枪了。动 means to move about. 再动 if you move again or if you keep moving, then I'm going to shoot. 再动我就开枪了。
再不走的话，我报警了。
再不走的话，我报警了。不走 again it means not go. 再不走的话 if you keep lingering around, then I'm going to report it to the police. I'm going to call the police. 再不走的话，我报警了。Right? 再不走 means if you keep doing the same thing. Again, the word if is implied. Right? 再不走的话，我报警了。Right? In this case, this conditional is expressed with 的话. See, the sentence has 的话, right? Because the sentence has 的话, it's already a conditional sentence.
别打了，别打了！哎，再打就出人命了。
别打了，再打就出人命了。Here, 再 is expressing maintenance of an action, right? 打 means to beat or hit. 再打 means if you keep hitting, right? If you keep hitting, then you're gonna kill someone. You're gonna take away someone's life. 出人命 means to lose a life or to cause a life to be lost, right? 出人命 means someone's gonna die. 再打就出人命了. If you keep hitting, then someone is going to die. All right, now let's do some practice. Try and figure out the meaning of these sentences.
你若再不走，可就走不了了。
是。
你若再不走，可就走不了了。你若再不走，可就走不了了。The word 若 is the same as 如果, right? It means if. 你若再不走 is the same as 你如果再不走。你若再不走，可就走不了了。What does this mean? Right, it means if you keep delaying, you won't be able to leave.
你若再不走，可就走不了了。
是。
你若再不走，可就走不了了。And the second one.
再等下去就太迟了。
再等下去就太迟了。再等下去就太迟了。What does this mean? If you keep waiting, it will be too late. 再等下去就太迟了。All right, so here are the grammar points, all the grammar points with 在. All right, if you have enjoyed this video, please do like and share with your friends. Please do check out our full HSK courses, which is available on our website at zerotohero.ca/en/zh. And if you purchase the entire suite of courses, which has over 2,000 videos, then you can actually learn all the grammar points on this grammar chart. All right, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.